Table.
The table.
Let's set the table. I will set my place. I need a bowl and a plate
Chicken.
and onion and a fork. And I need a glass. Okay, there's mine. I'm ready.
I win. I win.
You need a place. You need to set your side of the table. You need to set your side. There's some dishes.
Oh.
You need a bowl and a plate.
Water.
Oh, we're going to pour it into the glass. I'm going to pour my glass. We need to set the table. Let's set the glass down. I'll help you. You have a bowl and a plate. What else do you?
Napkin.
A napkin. And a fork. We're ready. Jack, we both are ready for dinner. All right, I'll get your chair.
I got your chair.
Let's set the table for dinner. I have everything over here.
Apple. Apple.
It was 2 bowls. A plate for Jackson and a plate for Mommy. Let's put them next to the bowls. We need both. Let's put them next to the bowls. Next to the bowl.
No, not.
I put this plate next. Let's put that plate next to the bowl. This plate next to the bowl.
Behag.
We had a bowl. Here's a bowl. We need a plate.
Behag.
This plate next to this. Let's put that plate next to the other bowl. And let's put the plate next to it. Okay, bowl and plate. Let's give bowl and plate for Mommy. Uh-oh. empty. Jackson. Jackson. Uh-oh. I need more help. I need some help. If I'm sitting, oh, I can't reach it. I need the glass over here where I can reach it. Good. I have a plate, a bowl, a napkin. I still need a. Oh, it's way over there. Let's put it on top of the napkin. Good. Oh, and you have on top of the napkin. You need a glass. Let's not touch the camera.
Camera.
I have a plate, a bowl, a napkin, a fork, and a glass. You have a napkin, a glass! We set the table! We're ready to eat! We are ready! You did such a good job. Now we can eat.
Couch. Couch.
Let's set the table. Let's set the table.
What took me?
Works to eat with. That's great! Now we're ready for dinner. We both have bowls and glasses and napkins.